What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Like always, we're doing something to this Honda. This is my friend's Honda. Today we got the AirLift. This is the brand right here. So we got a good setup. We got two pumps, dual pump, not a single, dual pump. The reason is it's gonna work fast enough to charge up this drum. This drum, how many pounds is this drum? 5 pounds maybe. 5 pounds. Yeah, this might be a 5-pound drum. It had a couple of stickers with the same brand. So what we did is we cut out our wood, we measured it according to the little tray inside the trunk. So what's gonna happen is we already got the lines running here to the pump from both sides, and we're gonna do the whole job complete step by step. This is just a little preview of what's gonna happen. So we're gonna take a line from here, it's gonna go into this board, and it's gonna come back from down below into this module box here. Same thing from the opposite side. A line is gonna come into the board here, and this board is gonna be covered. It's gonna be finished with the leather, same material as we have on the inside of the car. So line is gonna go down, come back up into this guy. So it's gonna have dual. We're gonna have to probably connect a dual adapter here, so because it's only one inlet. And then 4 lines are gonna come out, go through this board. It's gonna go to each wheel. We do have the shocks, and we're gonna do all the wiring. We got the controller. Everything is all gonna be done. Down below, we got like a little adapter here. You can connect the little line, so you can fill up your tires. Even use an impact gun maybe if you get a flat tire. But this is what we're using right here, and we're gonna install this onto the vehicle. We got a few more things over here, a couple of more woods over there. So pretty much it's all gonna set in the back, and then we're gonna have a clear board in the front, like a glass type. Okay, so we're just measuring things right here. So this is what it's gonna look like. And we're gonna have the lines running underneath, and they're gonna go to each wheel. So that's what it's gonna look like. Second board and the third board, and we're gonna have a sound system. We're gonna cut out the center. We're gonna put amp in the middle.